Welcome to Jacksonville Beach. What's up, everybody? We're here in Jacksonville Beach. They finally opened up the pier, but way back there, they're still working on it because of the hurricanes. The hurricanes actually tore it up, so they have it like sectioned off, so you can't go back. But it's the first time we're able to go to the pier area in like over 2 years. Enjoy this little surf montage that I got, and hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs and not just music topics. I'm trying to grow this channel as an all-around channel because my other vlog channel is basically dead and died off. Haha, that's funny, that girl up there, or that old lady's vlogging. Haha, she's doing like Instagram Live. I told you, everybody's into that Instagram stuff. Ever. Now that's a nice ass car right there. Can you believe they used to be, oh my god, that dude's on bag, or he's on hydraulics. Everybody's showing off the rides tonight.